Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I am a huge fan of collapsible silicone water bottles. And this special made collapsible water bottle set has really surpassed them all. This is such a great design because all you do is just loosen the small cap part of the top and then push it down. It has these beautiful little grooves that form into triangle diamond shapes, and it just folds into this really cute little square piece. And then the bands, they are so tight and snug underneath the top of the water bottle. I don't worry about it falling off or breaking. It is so well made. And then you just wrap them around the corners of the water bottle and they are so secure. And it folds so small that when you're done, you can easily just stick it into the side pocket of your backpack and you're good to go. Now, it comes with instructions to avoid the silicone smell and taste, to just put it in boiling water for about 5 minutes and then to pour boiling water inside and put a tea bag in there. The silicone can handle extreme heat. You can pour hot water into it and stick it at the bottom of your sleeping bag by your feet. It really helps you. And you can also put in water and put it in the freezer. They are so nice. They're so beautiful. It's so nice to be able to just put these on the sides of me and my husband's backpack. You know, you got that little extra water, especially when you're going on a big hike. And then if you are done and collapse them, you can easily open them back up if you come upon another water source, so that you can make sure you stay hydrated and really get the most out of this beautiful adventure that you're having. So I really love these. They made such a big difference on our trip, and I really think you're gonna love them too. But that's my point of view.